Bob. Why are you eating my crackers?
These are my crackers.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
What game are you downloading?
Hunger Games.
You are?
They're cooling.
Oh, they're calling? You
They're
are?
calling.
They're cooling?
They're cooling.
Bob, stop eating my cookies.
Mine.
I meant my crackers.
Mine.
Please, Bob. I know you're a little bit mental, but please.
It's Bobby Joe to you, sir.
It's my crackers.
Get off of me!
Bob, I'm serious. Now, let me see my crackers. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
My crackers.
I'm going to eat this. What the heck? What's this?
What?
Something popped up on your screen, Bob.
What?
It said...
Is a hacker?
No, Bob. It said this.
Ah!
Bob, it said this. You cannot...
Someone's hacking bubbles.
No, Bob. Someone said... No, it said you cannot download this game.
Uh-uh.
Yes, it did.
Uh-uh.
Yes, it did.
I'll prove it to you.
Okay, guys, I think this is it for the video. Bye. Bob.